Hey guys, today I am going to show you a new toothbrush from Realme, that is Realme M1 Sonic Electric Toothbrush. I purchased it from Flipkart and it cost me around 2,000. It has great features like high-frequency sonic motor, 4 cleaning modes, 90 days battery life, and it comes with quick wireless charging support. It is a wireless charger and also a stand for this toothbrush. It comes with 2 brush heads. You can use one brush head for 3 months and after that you have to change. To attaching the brush head with the motor body is very easy. It has 4 cleaning modes: soft, clean, wide, and polish. It basically vibrates the bristles for deep cleaning. In different modes you have different level of vibration. The motor is so strong that it can vibrate 34,000 times per minute. It is also fully waterproof, so you don't have any tension. It's so lightweight and easy to hold. It has 90 days battery life and support wireless charging through USB. It has 2-minute timer setting to maintaining proper brushing period. I'm using it for 2 weeks and it's so effective on my teeth. It cleans deeply and make your teeth more white. Dentists also recommend to use electric toothbrush for deep cleaning, so if you are looking to buy electric toothbrush, then I will definitely recommend it. Hope you liked the video, then do like, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.